Bricks just launched some days ago the beta of 2.1 version of Bricks. So let's do a little summary of these features that has Bricks Builder on this version, and let's explore a little more there. So let's start with the video. Bricks has faster development every month, I believe, or each 2 months they launch some updates, and big updates, not bug fixes like we are used to in another builders. So let's explore a little more what this is. So the first one update that it's, I believe, the most feature that they launch, and it's more highlight. It's the Bricks component as a block. So this is super nice feature because you will have the capability to build blocks directly with Bricks, and this is super powerful, and you can build blocks directly with your theme builder of Bricks. Okay, so let's do a little test to see what's happening. Components as blocks, and this is amazing features that I believe I think that Gutenberg Bricks do that, but now it's implemented directly on the builder. Let's start and do any things to do that, and put content my custom block with Bricks, and let's add a text test. And this is something that OutWP has too, so this is good because with more competition, I believe that the products will be better to all of us. Hello. So let's try to create that as a component, car component. Okay, and we need now go to okay, here we don't have the option, so we need go before to Bricks settings and activate this option from the settings of Bricks. Call it block editor and Bricks component in the block editor to enable, and I will put enable individual components manually instead all of them automatically. Let's add that faster and reload, and we will see now that we will have the option ready to start testing that. Let's go to the card, for example, and go to this, use as block editors. Okay, enable. And if we have that, let's go to here and go to a blog post, for example. Hello, and let's add our card component. Oh, nice. This is super nice feature that before I do for some customer as a custom reusable block and need to do a style with custom CSS of this block, but now we have as a component, and this is super nice. And we have also the capability to edit that if we make editable component. Let's move this and test it faster. Edit on Bricks. I will link one field to not do this part super longer. Let's add this editable, add a text heading, card. Okay, create, link, go, and check. Let's reload and check what's happening on real time. And okay, properties, nice, hello. Superfly, nice, works super. Oh, good. This is something that is amazing, because when you develop with Bricks, a lot of times you need to develop the blocks as custom CSS separately from the style sheet of Bricks to give support to the block editor. And now if we can do some layouts, a pre-built block editor blocks patterns, for example, and components we will have more options to give to the customer to edit his own post visually on his own page. We can do, for example, a homepage entire with components and give them without custom fields from ACF and give them a block editor for capability. So super nice. Let's explore more on follow on future videos here on the channel on OutWP.com. And before continuing, remember, if you want contact with me on OutWP.com and contact with me to start a new project as white label development, you can do on OutWP.com. If you're an agency, marketing, or if you are a agency of development and need extra hand, or a freelancer that you need extra hand to develop any project on Bricks Builder, you can contact with me on outwp.com and start collaborating. Another great feature about Bricks is this templates with wireframes and design sets. So we have a new wireframes here. Before on the other version we don't have it that. And this is something great, have a more design sets to implement in our project. We need to import these variables. When we click that, this template contain global variables, we will import. This template contain following theme style. Would you like import them? Yes. Let's use and import the colors too. And we have now this wireframe to start some project faster. This is good. If we want, for example, I don't know, do a footer fast, we will have this option too to import. We need to register our SVG and this stuff. And also, I don't know if here say that we have design sets. Let's check this design set that we have here. I believe more style defined. Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, cool. I believe. I thought that only wireframe we have it, but we have some design sets that we can use for some projects. I think that are some of them. Maybe in the future we have more. This is good. Have more things to do a project fast. If we don't want, for example, do a custom design, we can have this. This is a blog post, so no, it's not a good example. Let's use something like that. Okay, yes. Override everything. Override, import, and let's check if this works well. I don't know if works, maybe not. Let's do again, insert. Okay, now it's charging. This has dynamic data, so we must define this dynamic data. This maybe it's an image. Yes, feature image for about page. And this is the content, so you need put on your image in your about page, feature image to show here, and this will be done. So nice feature. Nice feature to have more things to not to start from scratch. Okay, the other feature that we have is the capability to do global queries and query manager. Okay, this is something that it's cool. We usually do the query directly on the element and not on the card. Let's reuse this that I built. Where is it? Okay, this was deleted. I don't know why. Card is this one. Heading card. Hello. Okay. So if we do, let's do this as a wrapper and let's use the query loop. So for example, if we want to do a query loop, we manage all from here, okay, from this part. So now we have the capability to do this, to save that as a global query, okay, from here, create global query, okay. And if we do, for example, post query For example, this is the basically query that we will have to mention some post. We now can manage from a global queries, and if we want to reuse that, we can use from here, for example, and call, and we will have another queries created, and we don't need do this each time that we want to use. For example, if we have if we need call products for WooCommerce store, we don't need to create in each time the query that we have predefined by default, okay? Or for example, to call events or anything that you want, you can reuse and do your big project more scalable. Okay, this is something amazing. We have another views to see that from the manage, and we have query manager here, and we have this, and we can create directly from here. For example, events queries. For example, we can have the category here, and let's call event, for example, or some event category that we want to create. We can do it, and let's add a little description. We can call, for example, think that this is an event custom post type, for example, that. And we can manage that, create the query as from here, and you will see reflected this query when you need to use from here, okay? And we can call that, and we will have our global query created. This is something amazing. Have more ways to register that, but let's explore in another video, or you can explore also the global queries official video to check more in depth, but I will do another video talking about that. Okay, also the other thing that we have it on this version is the query data from APIs. This means that you can call and do queries from another third-party APIs data in your own loops. Before you can do this, you can use the query from your own database from your WordPress database, but now you can call external APIs to show in your own WordPress directly with bricks. Nice. Now custom needed, say here, and we can use that. I will not explore a lot here on this video because this is more complex thing. So let's check that we have here. When we want use our queries, let's disconnect this, and we can use we have the type of query, terms, user, and now we have API, and now we can set the API queries and start using that. Call from the JSON that we have it. You select the post, the get, the HTTP method. We get our post and start using all these parameters that we want, and maybe when these are on live has more options. So I want to show you that this is something that we can use. Okay, API query data. So this is something powerful, advanced, and you can do with bricks your sites bigger and call external data. This is something amazing because, for example, if you have, I don't know, you want to integrate, and you are a real estate project and you want to integrate a listing from another site directly in your WordPress via API, this is something amazing. Instead, use an iframe and use the style from the real estate project styling. You can use your own style calling your API data. Or, for example, any marketplace that you are registered and want to integrate all of this stuff or call data from another part. This is something amazing. Okay, let's continue. Now also we can create and update post via front-end forms. This means that the form builder from bricks is more powerful now. This is good. If you want to have one site with bricks builder only Bricks Builder start being one tool to cover the most of cases that you need to use, and not need to use a third-party plugins to do something like create a form. Okay, so this is the thing, and you can I don't know where is this part to edit. Let me check some actions. I believe that is this part. Say update post and create posts. Nice. For example, if you have a directory about real estate and want to update from forms, this is good. Or a directory of businesses, local business. Or for example, if you have a user directory, maybe this can works for you. Okay, nice feature of the forms, and not need extra form, not need ACF to send the front-end metadata, or not need for example a form dedicated plugin to do this part. I don't know what is the scope. I never use forms to my own projects directly from Bricks, but this is good to have in mind if you want to use only Bricks vanilla without a third-party plugin and have one plugin to do everything. Okay, so let's continue. But remember also another call to action. Yes, of course, I will do a masterclass about web performance optimization for Bricks specifically. We will cover this topic on this masterclass. If you want to register and get the price of pre-launch, you can do it now on the link that I will drop on the comments and the description. So get the deal now before the pre-launch, because the price will rise. Okay, continuing with the update that Bricks has. The other update is Fluid Typography Generator. This is something amazing that if you are building your own framework and you want to have your bricks for everything, you can do this and don't use any CSS framework. You can do from here and use the variables management. I will do this faster to know. Do the most longer video that you see before. Where is that? Here. Okay, this changed from the place with the new update. So how to works that? I believe that we need to click here on Fluid Typography. Okay, create a typography. For example, select Fluid Typography category. For example, text. Okay, configure scale generation, prefix text. Now let's use text XXL. Base step at the M, it's okay. The M will be 16, okay, and the base font, the minimum mobile bar will be 16, and it's okay. The scroll weight is the mobile version. The scale type radio is 1.25 major third. The maximum of the desktop, I will put 18 for this. Base step line. Okay, prefix text. Oh, sorry, this not be text is okay. And base font, okay, for desktop 18, and the type scale radio. Okay, let's create the variables. Pick say no Fluid Typography category selected. Please select the category. Okay, let's select that from blah 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 blah. Where is this scale type? T-shirt number. From where? Great. Okay. Now it's created something amazing. We don't need to go to Fluid Typography website to do that, and we can do direct from Bricks something nice. Let's check if this works. Okay, if I want to create, for example, heading. And this heading will have the typography without class, because we do like that. And use this one, AXS. Oh, let's check again. And one of the biggest. Oh, nice. And let's check in Frontend if this works well. Let's go to here. Let's inspect. Okay. This doesn't have the. Okay, nice. The biggest is 47, and the lowest is 31. Okay, we go to here. This should be okay. 33. Oh, nice. It's working. Something amazing. If you want to have everything on bricks, good steps from bricks, guys. Good step from bricks. Approve it. What's more? New element map. Okay, from OpenStreet. This is good. User activation, account quality and security software when new users can log in with unverified emails. The new user activation email feature adds simple, reliable verification step, sending an activation link to every new registrant, not just those created from bricks from. Oh, nice. In short, verified. Oh, we use that. From user activation and element to require verification. Okay, nice. Okay. Another feature, another point to bricks to verify the user activations. Tab elements, accordion layout on mobile. Tabs are great on desktop, but on a small screen, they can squeeze labels, hide context, and force extra tabs. The new accordion layout breakpoint setting, okay, better UX for mobile. Okay, let's explore this in another videos. We have it, this new tab element, accordion layout on mobile. Good. Maybe we can create. Let's see. Tabs. Maybe it's this one. Okay. Accordion layout, desktop, mobile. Okay, it's not for nestable. It's for the tab element with pre-built thing. At least that's I am seeing. Okay. Check mobile version. Okay. Oh, nice. It's good. Okay. It's stuck automatically. Good. But looks good at first. Theme style, caption style for image and gallery. Okay, from theme styles, element, image gallery. Nice. Oh, good. Theme styles, image and captions. Here we can do the styles from the captions. Okay, custom styles. Good. These styles will also apply to all Gutenberg captions. Nice. Okay, we can define the style of the captions directly from the theme style. I don't use a lot of time the theme style for a lot, but only use the container and some pre things on sections. The other thing that I use is automatic CSS to do the global settings, but or my own frameworks and codebox. But this is good to have in mind to do videos about what can be on vanilla bricks and maybe drop some third-party component that you have it. Okay, this is all. I believe that we have more big focuses on some stuff because they do. Well, yeah, we have a lot of things. I will improve, have new things, and these new improves. Let's take a look faster. Asset generation, performance, usual color palette. Missing breakpoint settings, remove translate set from the origin, update all package on the last version, code editor, show all actions, icons above code editor, components, include components in copy and paste, nice, contextual spacing, additional target elements, allow to expand and collapse, dev tools CSS warning, skip adding href attribute if is a empty value, okay, filter radio, hide options, query element, meta key, okay, rich element, dynamic data button height, theme style option width, nice, video box muted, control autoplay, okay, PHP max change to nice, oh, cool, automatically, nice, and some bug fixes that we have a very big list. I will not take a look all of them, but this is something great of Brick that they launch new features, improve the latest features, and also fix the bugs. This is something amazing, and they move fast. Okay, this is all, my people. Subscribe to the channel. The third call to action: subscribe to the channel and comment below what do you think, and let's see in another video. Bye bye.